What's going on, everybody? It's your guy Rogers 1906. I'm back once again with something else for you guys today. I want to show you guys a platform that I'm now utilizing to trade crypto futures. I literally just started this today, figured it out in 6 minutes, and I want to share it with you. So do me a favor, go and hit the like button right now. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments and share this with somebody right now. Let's get it. So here we are. This is the name of the program. It's called ByDFI, right? ByDFI. And man, I just literally just tapped into this thing today. First thing I want to show you is number one, how to fund your account. Super important, right? But make sure you click that link in the description. Use my referral code. Then you go to the comments here, get $100, especially when you KYC. It's not required, but if you go ahead and do it now, when it does become required, it's going to make things super easy for you. But this one is regulated in the US, so it's going to be super, super lit for you. All right, so let me show you guys. First things first, we're going to go to assets, or you can click deposit here. You'll choose your network. In this case, when I first deposited, I just used Bitcoin. I transferred from my Cash App. Like I literally pulled it up, scanned it, and then boom, like it was game on, right? You select your network, Bitcoin network, scan it, send it, and then it's on and popping. All right, so let's get out of the deposit part here. Now let's go actually see. Once I sent those assets, I only sent $124 of Bitcoin over here, and then I converted it to USDT. Once I did that, I had to transfer that spot USDT to my USDT-M wallet, right? I just did all of it, which is where it is now, right? I've already traded. I did some little light conservative trades because I wanted to see how this thing was going to pop and work. So, hey, it was super smooth. So let me show you guys how to do it now. Now that we got our funds moved over, first things first, we're going to go to USDT-M. Those are our perpetuals, right? Then over here on the right-hand side, you'll see all the different things that you can trade, right? Now, the one that I've been playing with today, just like I said, I just got started today, is Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin. So I go to Doge USDT, boom, click it, right? Now, it does have a chart here. Now, I always tell you guys, we never trade and chart in the same place. So what I did was I went over to tradingview.com. Of course, I am using my own setup, my own indicators. Right now I'm on a 15-second time frame, right? I can zoom out, look at the 1 minute. Just based on my setup, we're having a little bit of a reversal here. Looks like Dogecoin wanted to run. I'll zoom out, maybe look at the 10-minute here. It's got a lot of support right now at 16 cents, 16.7 to be exact. We bounced off support at 16.511. So now I'm going to zoom back in, right? So I can determine how I want to play this bad boy, all right? So I'm going to go to all. Also, I made sure that I looked at the Bybit setup. So like if I were to search Doge, like DOGE USDT, all right? So I'm on Bybit. If they had this exact one, I would just choose this one. But I just chose the Bybit one. Because it sounded like the same thing, to be honest with you. I got to be real, right? So I chose to Bybit so I can use my setup on TradingView to determine the momentum. All right, so now I'm looking at the 30-second time frame. I'm coming back to the 3-minute because I want to decide if I need to short it or if I need to go long with it. Now, when I have these blue candles, of course, I'm pretty bullish, but when I start seeing that red creep in on it, I'm a little bit shaky. So I may not actually execute this, but I'm going to just show you, right? So let's say if I wanted to move this here, first thing I will want to make sure that I use USDT as my source to buy, okay? And then I would indicate here whether a percentage, or I could actually come in and type how much money I want to spend out of my total amount, and then I'll have the cost, right? So currently, just looking at this, I don't like using their charts again. I'm going to look at my setup. Looks like we're getting a little bit of bearish resistance here. So I would possibly maybe buy a short. Let's see if I can get a little small one here. I don't want to put a lot on it. So I'm going to get a little small short. Okay. All right. Simply hit short, confirm. All right. Then the order's filled, right? Scroll down to the bottom. Once the order actually is processed, it will show the order in positions. All right, currently the order is still pending, right? I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it because I don't want it to fill because I don't really want to trade this. But the program, this software, website, whatever it is, there's an app too super easy to use, and I had to share with you guys first. So again, continue to tap in with me. I will expose more to you guys as we do this. Again, started with 124, I'm up to 126, $2 profit in literally 30 minutes. All right, y'all, let's have fun with this thing. Take it easy. Peace.